So I just wanted to make an update on my new high yield investment platform I joined about a week ago, uh, and about an hour ago the website wasn't reachable. If you tried to go to their website, you couldn't see anything else than the message saying that we'll be right back. And I immediately thought that there's the same thing happening as it did with Bitpetit, with those of you who are familiar with what happened with that site. So I went off and did some things, came back and refreshed the site, and this message was showing up. So server upgrade, backup in 30 minutes. And I still wasn't really convinced that they are upgrading the server, because you know how it all went down with Bitpetit. So I basically waited for 30 minutes or 35 minutes and refreshed the page, and the website was, well, there again. So I can log in to the website again. I think they changed some things around, but everything's working as it should. I still have all the funds on my account, and I already they already paid me this amount of Bitcoin, so I'm really happy with this website for now. If you guys would like to check this website out, I've got the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.